In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Microsoft Excel. This skill is incredibly useful, especially when you're dealing with large sets of data and need to automate calculations across numerous rows. Whether you're managing a small list or facing a spreadsheet with hundreds, even thousands of entries, knowing how to quickly replicate a formula can save you a significant amount of time and effort. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Office 365 portal. Start by launching Microsoft Excel, which might automatically redirect you to a browser, depending on your setup. Once you're there, find the workbook you need and open it in Excel. Now we get to the good part. Let's ensure we have our formula set up correctly in the top cell of the column we want to work with. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll use a simple example, adding up sales from June and July. This calculation will be done in cell E3. Remember, these steps are versatile and will apply just as well to more complex formulas, so feel free to adapt them to your specific needs. After entering your formula in cell E3, click on that cell to select it. Now pay close attention to the bottom right-hand corner of the cell. When you position your cursor over this corner, it will turn into a small black plus sign. This is called the fill handle. By clicking and dragging this fill handle down the column, you can manually copy your formula into each row. This method is perfect for shorter lists. However, manually dragging the formula down isn't practical when you're dealing with larger numbers of rows. Let's take a different approach for those bigger data sets. Undo your previous changes so we can start fresh. This time, we're going to apply the formula to an entire column more efficiently using a handy double-click trick. Select the cell containing your desired formula once again. Just as before, move your cursor to the bottom right-hand corner so it changes into that black plus sign. Now, instead of dragging, simply double click. That's it. With that double click, your formula is instantly copied down to the entire column, reaching the last row where there's corresponding data in adjacent columns. This method is a real game changer and will allow you to apply your formulas across tens, hundreds, or even thousands of rows in just a fraction of a second. By knowing this double-click shortcut, you significantly reduce the time and effort needed to update your spreadsheets, enabling you to focus on analyzing the data rather than manually inputting formulas. I hope you find this technique as useful as many Excel users have. Happy computing, and thanks for watching.